It's finally here. Well, almost. Leaks about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro are out, and it looks like DJI is about to drop a serious game changer. Picture this: a sleek new design, jaw-dropping camera upgrades, and a rumored 90 degrees gimbal tilt. This could be the drone we've all been waiting for. If you're passionate about capturing stunning aerial shots, this one will have you counting down the days. Let's dive into everything we know so far about the Mavic 4 Pro, because its release might be just around the corner. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro's leaked images are sparking serious buzz, and it's clear that DJI is stepping up in a big way. For starters, the design overhaul is hard to miss. A circular body frame and revamped gimbal housing set it apart from earlier models. Interestingly, the usual forward-facing obstacle avoidance sensors are nowhere to be seen. Are they repositioned, or has DJI reimagined the system entirely? Adding to its futuristic look, there's talk of rear navigation lights that hint at a bolder, more refined aesthetic. But the real showstopper is the rumored 90 degrees gimbal tilt. Imagine the creative shots possible, capturing straight-up perspectives beneath bridges, towers, and trees. This single feature could redefine drone videography, opening up new angles for photographers and filmmakers alike. And DJI appears to be doubling down on pro-level quality with some impressive camera specs. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to come with a triple camera setup, possibly featuring Sony's LI sensors, dual native ISO, 4K at 60 FPS, and HDR at 100 FPS. This configuration could mean breathtaking dynamic range and sharp footage, even in challenging lighting. Not to mention a telephoto lens boasting a 48MP quad Bayer sensor for crystal clear distance shots, and the possibility of 6K video could bring a whole new level of cinematic potential. With AI-powered autonomous flight features on board, this drone promises smarter, smoother navigation. Equipped with 6 180 degrees fisheye sensors, it's expected to offer advanced obstacle avoidance, dynamic tracking, and streamlined flight paths. These features not only enhance ease of use for beginners, but provide experienced pilots with greater precision for those complex, high-stakes shots. DJI seems intent on blurring the lines between drone and full-frame camera technology with the Mavic 4 Pro, making it a potential game-changer for high-end photographers and cinematographers alike. According to the latest leaks, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro might just be setting new standards in flight performance and battery life. Packed with a 6,400 mAh, 99-watt battery, this drone could offer up to 50 minutes of flight time under optimal conditions and an impressive 60 minutes of hover time, an incredible leap from the Mavic 3 Pro's battery capabilities. If DJI adds new motor efficiencies, we could see improved performance across various flight modes, giving pilots more time in the air and less time recharging. This improvement could be a game changer for extended shoots, whether for landscape photography, inspections, or creative projects. As for when we'll get our hands on the Mavic 4 Pro, sources suggest a potential release before the end of 2024 to avoid any restrictions from a possible US tech ban. Other rumors point to early 2025, possibly April, with the base model starting around $2,199 and a Fly More bundle reaching up to $2,999, aimed at serious users and professionals. Given DJI's recent releases like the DJI Neo and Osmo Action 5 Pro, it's clear they're building towards something big, and the Mavic 4 Pro looks like it could be the crown jewel of DJI's 2024 lineup. With groundbreaking design and feature upgrades, this drone is likely to appeal to everyone from hobbyists craving top-quality aerial shots to filmmakers looking for a creative edge, and even professionals needing a versatile, reliable tool. All these upgrades packed into one sleek, powerful package have the drone community buzzing, and for good reason. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be an unparalleled choice for aerial innovation. That wraps up everything we know so far about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. With so many exciting upgrades, from extended flight time to cutting-edge camera capabilities, this drone is set to make waves in the world of aerial photography and filmmaking. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on the latest drone news and reviews. Now, we want to hear from you. What feature are you most excited about in the Mavic 4 Pro? Is there something you're hoping DJI will include? Let us know in the comments below.